Hi guys, so this video is going to be about our Fashionista Lashes, and it's from our luxury I'm so happy. It's from our luxury lash line from POMI by Lyric, and my mouth hurts. Listen, let's just talk about the packaging. I couldn't do any build up to this. I mean Bobo, you know, this is not doing it no justice. It has been such a long time coming with our luxury lashes. It should have been launched last year October, and they weren't, and now I am just grateful that we waited. We didn't want the regular square packaging, and that was something that I was adamant about. Even with that square packaging, I want one that nobody has ever seen before, but everybody has seen some variation of the square packaging, whether it's the lid that I flip up that has a little plastic that you can see the lash through, whether it is the drawstring one or the drawer one. There's so many variation to the to the rectangular boxes that I just wanted something different, and by golly, we did it. I have never seen a lash packaging like this, and just by, let me just tie it so you know, you get the full effect, and just by how it's packaged alone, you know that these lashes aren't normal. Just by the packaging alone, you know that you're getting your money's worth, and I am so sold. Can you imagine this on your vanity? Can you imagine this on your vanity, and then you have guests over and they're like, what's that? You're like, lashes. They're like, lashes? I don't normally see lashes in boxes like those. I'm like, Bobo, let me show you what you've been missing. Oh, where you dig, y'all? Oh, where you dig? Now you have to kind of wiggle it. You can't just poof, pull it off. And look at Fashionista. That's her lash. This is the lash I've been wearing in like for the past 5 months. And let me tell you why. There's a little POMI behind there. What do you call it, like hidden scenes? I don't know, but I had ordered we had gotten them like this, right? This is how we had gotten them, and with the same, because I wanted a specific box design. So I ordered these first, and then I was looking to see if I could get a box that represents us. So I was like, this is the box that I want. But then I had already have these. I'm like, crap, let me just wear them. So I've been wearing them so much, and I'm in love with these lashes. I'm in love with Fashionista Lashes. So these are our Fashionista Lashes. They're now available on POMI.com, and if you want a nice discount, go ahead and enter at the when you're checking out, free fash. And I believe you get either money off or free shipping. I don't know, you get something, Bobo. You get money off or you get free shipping when you enter the code free fash. And this is just all this video is about, just showing you guys our new POMI lashes and our new luxury line POMI lashes. Now these aren't available at Fontana Pharmacy, and I'm putting it out to you guys. Would you want these in Fontana? Now if these go in Fontana, they're going to be sold for a pretty penny. These are $30 on the website, which is probably $3,500, $3,600. So it would be around that price range. Now these are luxury lashes. These are luxury lashes, and on a look at human ear lash them where you can buy a toner. So, and these are different material and different material than or human. They're not synthetic lashes like the Popular Kid and stuff like that. These are cruelty-free lashes, and these lashes go for $30 on the website. Now if you want them to be at Fontana, you can tweet Fontana and be at Fontana and myself, or you can take the screenshot. No, better side. So you can take that screenshot and put it on your Instagram and tag Fontana and tag POMI by Lyric, saying yes, we want Fash. Now be mindful that the price range is going to be between 3,000 and 4,000. That's a pretty big gap, but I just want you guys to know that. All right, 3,000, 4,000 Jamaican dollars. So have that in mind. Now, where would you wear these lashes? That's completely up to you. I wear these lashes every god almighty day, except for today, which is like really Simone, girl. But I have an individual lashes because I had an event today and I wanted individual lashes, so I put these in. But I wear these everywhere. I wear them every time I'm doing my makeup. I am just in love with these lashes so much. And but I would reserve these for special events because they're so expensive. I would definitely reserve these for weddings, for ball, if it's like a ball and you want to look like a princess, definitely. Anniversary, 25-year anniversary, 50-year anniversary, 10-year anniversary, 1-year anniversary, 3-year anniversary, just special events like that. A Christmas dinner with some really important people. Like, I would say I would reserve these lashes for that. Reason being because of the price point as well as just the luxury of it all. I mean, where do you go and you see this packaging? Where I am so proud of our packaging, and I'm glad that we waited. I'm so glad that we waited because I just wanted to just say, oh, I just want them to be sold. I just want my girls to be able to purchase them, and we waited. And it's true, good things come to those who wait, because we did. And I want to thank you guys so much for those of you who have purchased already. You guys' support is killer. You guys' support is like, your support game is on full week. Like, you guys support POMI. Even, and no, I don't want to talk about that. I was going to talk about the waist belts, but that's not what this video is about. I just want to tell you guys thank you for tying back the ribbon. I just want to tell you guys thank you for your support thus far. I mean, can you imagine this on your vanity, just sitting there, just looking all cute and stuff, just, oh, you're such a cutie patootie. I'm over the moon excited about these lashes. They can be worn more than once. I've been wearing mine like 5-10 times. Now the trick to wearing lashes over and over, because I'm sure some of you are saying, but Lyric, no them can't, because my lashes can't go past 2 years. You have to limit the amount of glue that you use, and you have to remember that when you put the glue on your lashes and you put them onto your eyes, the glue is pressed out, so sometimes the glue gets on the lash itself and on your natural lash. So do a thin layer of glue, but where I would put most of the glue is at the two ends and right in the middle. Yeah, so you stick on the lash in the middle first, and you stick on at the two ends, and then you're good to go. So apply most of the glue at the two ends and in the middle, and then a thin layer of paper, thinner than paper layer on the rest of the lash. Now, why do I apply those 3 pressure points? Because that's where the lashes tend to lift off first, more so on the ends, but I apply in the middle just so that when it sits there. Yeah, so apply a little bit more on the end, but not a lot, just a little bit more, because if I apply too much, when you put the lash on, the glue is going to spread. The lash is going to spread the glue, and it's going to probably get on your lashes, on the other lashes, and it can easily. These are some Fashionista lashes. These are some Fashionista lashes. You can easily remove them by holding your lash like this, holding the lashes, and you just peel off the glue. So you're peeling off the glue by holding the lash itself firm between your finger, and you're using your nail to peel off the glue. So I'm peeling off glue, right? So that's what you have to do. And sometimes for me, the glue gets stuck out on this corner, so I have to kind of snip a little bit of the lash off. Sometimes, not all the time, but sometimes. I have the fan on. I hope that has not been bothering you guys. But yeah, that's just what I want to come by and talk to you guys about. And that's basically it. Now available, use the code FREEFASH. I think it's either free shipping or money off, I can't remember, but you get something for your code. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you guys for your patience for our Fashionista lashes. Thank you guys for your patience for our luxury lashes, and the packaging is just beautiful. I love the packaging so much, and that little glitter in there. Boo boo! Yes, girl, yes. So that's basically it. I will not have this video any longer. I'm just talking about lashes for like 9 minutes. What the hell? So I'll tell you guys in the next video. Bye. I'm just so happy. I'm happy. Those lashes are bae. They are.